Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the SQL tutorial. So in the last video, we have discussed about the group function. Link is in the description. So if you haven't watched, please go through. So before moving towards the window function, I forgot to discuss with you all some of the basic concepts of SQL like alias, what is the use of top percent and order by. So first we will finish this and then we'll continue with the functions, that is window function. Okay. So let's start now. So let's talk about what is the use of alias. Okay. So this is our employee table. Okay. Consists of ID, first name, last name, salary, city, department. Okay. Now the task is like I want to show for the first name and last name as the full name. Okay. Like I want to show, let's say I want to show ID, first name, last name, full name, and salary. Okay. From employee table. Okay. So how to do? So select clause, select. Let's say I will take the respective columns which I want to show. ID. Let's say ID first name, last name. So I want to show full name. So full name is nothing but the concatenation of first name and last name. Okay. So let's say okay. As we now friendly with the concat functions. So let's concatenate. Okay. So first name, last name. Okay. And then now, so this now I have concatenated the first name and last name. So I want to name this as as full name. So alias means as and then full name. Okay. And I want to show salary. Okay. From employee table. So as you can see here, okay, for better representation, let's add one empty string also. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so now according to the task, we have shown the ID, first name, last name, and then full name. Okay, so full name it's nothing but the combination of the first name and last name. So we have used the concat function. Now to name that column, so we have using alias we have done like this. Okay, like full name is nothing but the combination of two words, so we can simply use the empty string also, and we can write it as like this also. It is also acceptable. Okay, it's also fine. Okay, so and now see, if I'm removing the as keyword, okay, still it's acceptable. Okay, so you can use as also, or you can directly write the name of the column. Okay, like this. If it's more than one word, then use the string, else you can use the camel casing. This is camel casing, or you can give underscore also. It's totally fine and acceptable. Okay, it accepts, as you can see here. So moving forward, now what is the use of this top and percent? Let's talk about this. Okay, So this is our employee table, as you know. Here there are, okay, here just as we are practicing the SQL. So currently we have only 16 records, but if we talk about the ideally, if we talk about there will be many records, okay, there will be thousand lakhs of records in a particular table, right? So what if we have that, let's say, lack of records? So I need to show only, the top, you know, top, let's say, out of 1 lakh records, I need to show, let's say, 50,000 records or top 10,000 records. So how to show? So in this type of scenario, we can use the top n person. So let's see. So considering this 16 record, let's say I want to show only the top 5 records. Okay. Show top 5 records. So it's simple. Again, select top 5. Okay. Star from employee. So it will show the first 5 records as you can see. So for this type of requirement, we can use this top. Let's say out of 16 records, okay, I need only 50% records. Okay. So again, top, 50. I need only top 50%. So 60, we have 16 records. So 50% of that is 8 records. So as you can see here, we got the 8 records. So in this way, we can use the top n percent to show the records or to fetch the records according to that. So now, what is the use of order by? So let's say, say by standard practice, or let's say ideally, the default order is ascending order. But what if I want to show the order in ascending or descending order with respect to any column? So let's consider I want to show the salary from highest to lowest in this hierarchy or in this sequence. Okay, let me write here. Show um, no, not show. Fetch employee details based on, or let's say as per highest to lowest. Okay. Fetch employee details as per highest to lowest salary. Let's say. So the syntax is the query is select start from employee. Okay. Order by salary and then ascending. If ascending, then an ASC, or as we have to show here highest to lowest. So that is we use the descending order. So as you can see here, we have fetched the records based on salary from in descending order, that is from highest to lowest. Okay. Yes, DESC is nothing but okay descending, and ASC is nothing but the ascending. So as simple. So this was all about the alias, top percent, and order by. So now in the next video, we'll continue with the functions. That is, we'll discuss about the window function. Okay. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section, and like, share, and subscribe. And of course, feedbacks are always welcome. So let me know what quality of video you guys want. And so thank you. Have a nice day.